Hi, welcome to week number 11, last week in the quarter. And again, we are going to be working on and going over Punnett squares. Everybody is comfortable now with actually completing the Punnett square. So now we're going to work more on talking about the difference between the parental generation, which is the P1 generation, and then the F1 and the F2 generation. F1 is the first filial generation, and then the F2 is the second filial generation. So when you do an initial cross, this can be your P1 generation. That would be your parents, okay? And that's going to be what you put on the top and on the sides. And then the outcome that you get is your F1 generation. Okay, so all of these inside this initial Punnett square are your F1 generation. That's the first set of offspring that you get from your parental cross. Okay, then you are going to pick two from inside that box. So you would pick a capital Y and a lowercase y, and then two lowercase y's. And when you do that cross, everything inside the square is going to be your F2 generation. Okay? So, in this example here, okay, we have our parental generation up here. Here's your P1. Everything in this Punnett square is going to be your F1. And then you take 2 from in here, and you get your F2. So, we're going to be going over that a little bit more this week. Everybody should be great on doing these slides, or doing these crosses now. And then we can get into when we're looking at multiple traits.